Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of enabling tips in X. Enabling tips allows your followers and fans to show their appreciation and support for your content. So, let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Locate the X icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're inside X, look for the account icon situated at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings menu, find and tap on the profile option. This will take you to your profile settings. Step 4. On your profile page, you'll notice your header picture. Tap on it to reveal additional options. Step 5. From the options menu, select Edit Profile. This will allow you to make changes to your profile details. Step 6. Inside the profile editing screen, search for the Tips option. Tap on it to access the Tips settings. Step 7. Within the Tips settings, you'll find the option to Allow Tips. Tap on it to enable this feature. Step 8. Take a moment to review and confirm your choice. Enabling tips will allow your followers and fans to support you through monetary contributions. Step 9. Once you're satisfied with your selection, tap on the Save or Done button to save your changes. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled tips in X. Now your followers and fans can show their appreciation for your hard work and dedication. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to enable tips in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.